Hey guys, Dr. Decks here. Today we are doing a demolition on our current deck project, and we're using a special tool to help us demo this. These decks that we're taking out were made of plywood, cement board, and tile, and grout, and mud. So we have to tear all that apart, and to do it safely, we have to take it off in layers. So we've taken off the tile, we've taken off the cement board, we have plywood left. The plywood has been glued down to the existing framing, and we are going to try and pop it with this tool that I've adapted. What this is a body straightener I got at Harbor Freight, and I actually have two of them. So I Frankensteined them together, and then I bought a pneumatic hydraulic pump, which is hooked up to an air compressor, and there's the hose right there. And then it has a hydraulic line that I've adapted over to the ram that is attached to this body straightener kit that you buy. And I think it's like $300 for this and $100 for the pump or something like that. So basically, and mine leaks, so that's why I have this towel around it. I think I'm missing a part to it, that's why it leaks. But it works, it's very effective. So what I'm gonna do is just show you the operation of it, how it pumps, and then we'll go from there. So all I have to do is put my foot on the pump, and you can see right here, how it elevates. And then when I want to drop it, I just hit the release and it drops back down. So we do that multiple times to pop a sheet of plywood off of the deck, and then we can easily remove it and dispose of it. The other option is take a saw and start cutting through all the plywood, but there's lots of nails embedded in the plywood, so a blade's only going to last a couple cuts. So we found this takes a little bit longer, but it's very effective and makes a quick work out of trying to get these plywood sheets off of the joists. So we're going to go ahead and get started. Now, my pump is not tall enough to hit, because this is a 12-foot high ceiling, so we're running a 6x6 on the ground, and then we're putting the jack on top of that, and then we're pumping from there. So that's what we're gonna do and show you guys how it works. All right, let's do it. There we go. Now she's snug. All right, so now the post is in place, the jack's in place. All I gotta do is pump this, and it's going to start popping the nails and the plywood and the glue off the joist. Now, this particular deck we're completely removing, so it doesn't matter if we destroy the joist, damage anything, does not matter. We just wanna get it down as quickly as possible. So here we go. All right, guys, so that is how we're gonna get all this plywood off of this deck. You could just cut it with a skill saw, but there's so many nails and concrete and rocks up there that you're gonna destroy several blades trying to do that. So we're just gonna pop this plywood, toss it off the deck, and then we'll be able to demo this like a normal standard deck demolition. So thanks for watching. If you got through this entire video, congratulate yourself by clicking that subscribe button and hit that bell icon if you want to be notified when we're putting out new content. Usually it's 3 days a week. Don't forget to like this video. Leave a comment below and let me know what you think of my Frankenstein jack and how well it works. Maybe it's time for a new seal on this thing though. What do you say? All right, guys, thanks for watching. Have a great day.